What are you doing?
I got this hammer because I'm fixing to bust out my window.
Why?
Because I locked my keys in my car to run into the house for about a minute, and I accidentally shut the door without unlocking it, so it's got anti-theft on it, so I can't get into my car.
That's pretty stupid, huh?
Yeah, I'm kind of stupid right now.
Okay, hang on a minute. Let me look and see if I can find your keys.
Okay.
Wow, there they are. Sitting on the seat with your cell phone. Very cool, very cool. What are you doing over there?
Well, let's just not show them. That's the game private for.
Oh. So let's see, what'd you do over here? You chased it out so it wouldn't shatter?
Yeah.
That's Marshall's spot?
Yeah.
Okay, well let me back up and then you
I
can
don't
go
know if
at
I'll be able
it.
to hit it hard enough.
So, everybody gonna take a shot real quick?
Sure. Okay. I go first, right?
Yeah, right? Make sure you get a spot. Okay, alright, chill.
Nick.
No, I'm last.
I want to go.
Don't hit this one.
Just go for the little one.
Crack it?
I want to be last.
No, just go.
You can't even break it, Jackie.
Okay, back up, Zach. Michael. Okay, stop. Cameron.
I just want to hit this hard.
Cameron, hit it.
Oh, yeah. Woo!
Hold it up. Let's look. No?
I can't reach it. Oh, crap.
Are you telling me you broke the
Oh, my God. I got a door open. Holy crap. Look at all this.
Let's look at the
I gotta go back down. Don't say, hey, Michael, you sitting in class. Look up.
Gostaria que haja que tenha sua seus não sei isso.
My name's Chase, and I live in California, and I'm gonna try to break this wine glass by only my voice. Mom, look. Mom, I broke it! Look it! I did! I broke a glass! I broke a glass, people! Woo-hoo! Don't funny! Look it! I broke the glass! I broke the glass with my voice! Isn't that just crazy? Woo! Look it!
Alright. Did you video it?
Yeah.